Welcome, readers of the night. I am Mistress Luna, and this is Midnight Phonics. Here in the Raven's Chamber, we learn the art of reading through shadow and sound. One word, one heartbeat, and one stanza at a time. I am a licensed educator and reading specialist. I earned my specialist degree through Drake University in Des Moines, Iowa. And I've spent the past 8 years teaching literacy and language arts to students who needed one simple thing: someone to show them the passion of reading. If you'd like to verify my credentials, you can find my teaching license on the Iowa Board of Educational Examiners website under the name Gina Joyce. I'll include the link below. Midnight Phonics was created for secondary students, those who were told reading was too hard, too boring, or too late to learn. Here, we'll break the spell that words can cast, exploring phonics, vocabulary, morphology, sentence rhythm, fluency, comprehension, all through the haunting works of Edgar Allan Poe. We'll read by moonlight, listen for meaning in every echo, and find the power hidden in sound. So light your candle, open your book, and step into the Raven's Chamber, where the shadows will teach you.